Welcome back to Southern Scratching. Y'all, oh my gosh. This is Sunday. I know that you guys are seeing this on Monday, but I just left Miss Money Honey's live. If you were not in there, you have got to go and watch the replay. We will drop the link down below in the description. Best live ever. Lord have mercy. Oh my God. So anyway, I mean, it was awesome. It was it was great. We will drop the link down below. Because of that, we are going to be using Miss Money Honey's dog tag, and then Jedi's beautiful Maryland coin that is lucky. It's just, I love that Maryland coin, and with us living in Maryland for so long, there's the other side. I know he's got the new one, but you know, Maryland Scratch Jedi. Anyway, moving on. I'm going to stop drooling over stuff for right now. We are going to do a big boy session. Got Cash Explosion and Millionaire Jumbo Box. These are the two tickets that Gambler says there's going to be a boomer dropping on them end or beginning of the year. We've got 2, 3, and 4 of the Cash Explosion, 2, 3, and 4 of the Millionaire Jumbo Box. Let's get started. So, on here we are looking for the Sack and the Star. Sack instantly win $100. Star instantly win all 20 prizes. I will take either one. I'll take matches. Not too terribly picky. Let's go, if I can get my fingers to work, let's go symbol hunting first with Miss Money Honey. 23, 36, 24, 9. There's my lucky 32. 8, 30, 14, 15, number 2, 29, 39, 22, lonely 1, 12, which is my other happy number, 16, 26, 37, 25, and 19. No symbols, so let's see how we do up here. 34, got a 24. Don't see no 34. 40, I don't think we had any 40s. 21, I don't think I had a 21. Had some 20s, but not the right 20. 18, I know I had a 19, I believe. 15, 16, 19. Come on, Miss Money Honey. 38, 39, 37. Got a Sammy. Sammy, where's the wizard? 6, 9, 8, 1, 27. We had a bunch of 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. 20, 20, 26, 22, not that 20, 24, and 31. And again, I don't think we had that one, 30. So, nothing on that one. Moving on to ticket number 3. Same rules apply. 21, 25, 35, 23. Number 3 for Miss Money Honey, and I'm using her scratcher. Lonely 1, which has to be on George's ticket somewhere. 18, 20, 36, 8, 10, 39, 14. Gamblers 11. 32. There's my 32 and my 12 right next to it. Number 9, 37, and 33. 27, which I don't think we had. Had some 20s, 26, 25, 19, had 18. Nope. 36, 35, 33, 39. 7, 9. 34, 35, 39, 33, 32. 4, 1, 3, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 17, 11, 14, and last one, 28, which I don't think we had either. 21, 22, 23, 20, 26. So nothing on that one. Moving on to ticket number 4. Still looking for a sack and a star. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Simple hunting. Gamblers 11, 14, 7, 13, 21. I just couldn't decide how I wanted to do that one. There's my 32, 9, 24, 22. Number 2, which isn't as lonely as the 1, 16, 34, 35, 8, 23, 15, 28, 39, 12, and 36. Okie dokie, let's go. 39, 39, we got a match right there. And I don't see letters. 18, 14, 16, 15, 10. I don't think I saw 10. 11, 9. 17, 13, 16, 15. Don't think we had 1, but see, that 1 has to appear somewhere. 29, 28, 23, 30. Had a lot of 30s, but not that one. 36, 32, and last spot, 26, 36, 28, 23, 30, blah, 24, 21. Let's see what we have. See a big 0, $40. So that is $40 up. That is something. Very happy. Okay, we are going to move on to Millionaire Jumbo Bucks. Rules of the game: get a jumbo, win 5 times the prize, get the floater, and win all 20 prizes. We are switching over to Jedi's beautiful scratcher. Let's start up here. 2, 27, 37, 17, 40, 37, and 16. 4, 14, 21, 19, 6, only got a 2, oh, we got a 7 with 1 off, 38, got a 30, got a 37, 1 off, 23, 8, 1 off, 10, nope. 15, 1 off. The name of the game, 31, 1 off. 11 for the gambler. 33, 18, 28, 20, we got 30 and 40. Stay still, ticket. 39, 1 off of the 40. Number 9. Number 3, 1 off of the 2. Last one on this ticket, 25, which we do not have. Moving on to ticket number 3, you know the rules. Let's do it this way. 36, 2, 20, 28, 10, 21. Number 1, so lonely. 30, 37, 7, 25, 8, 5, 15, 11 for the gambler. 31, number 12, 17, 38, and 40. No symbols. 35, 36, 37, 38, 31, 25, 34. Already went through them. Nope, nope, nope. 3, got a 2, got a 5, got an 8, and a 7, 19, 17, 15, 11. Number 9, 7, 8. Lay them straight. 6, 7, 8, 5. Got a Sammy. 39, 38, 40, 36, 37, 30, and 4. Got 2, 1, 5. No 4, so that one is not a winner. Moving on to ticket number 4. Let's do this again. There's my 32, 14, lonely 1, 19, 38. Hey, look at that. A second lonely 1. 16. Miss Money's number 3. A 9. So what we know at this point is that it's a winner and it's not a ticket. 5, and we've got at least $20 on it. 22, 28, 17. I'm looking for any more repeaters. 18, 37, 39, 8, 15. Oh, I might as well mark this somehow. 1. Bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, 15 and 6. Okay. 31. Nope. 26. Nope. 34. Nope. 36. I thought I'd already said that one. 36, 26. They're really all the same. 40. I don't think I had 40. Nope. 20. Nope. 21. Yeah, really hoping that the 1 is under here. And there's my 1. So we've got a single match for the 2 1s. Let's see what we got. $10. And $20 for a $30 win. So it was a $120 session, and we got $70 back, which is more than half, which is always, you know, what you want to, you're always hoping that you get at least there. So we got there. Always happy about that. At any rate, thank you all for stopping by. We hope to see you next time. Make sure that you hit the like button on your way out if you haven't. Hit the subscribe button over there. Hit over there for another video. And we will see you next time. Bye, y'all.